Hello YouTube. Took a little ride over to see my daughter, test out the bike a little bit. I need to change it. There we go, rain mode, road mode, sport mode. Okay, trying a new angle on the camera, and I got it on ultra wide. Might help if I actually put the kickstand up. Okay, let's see here. That looks pretty good. All right, here we go. It's there now. Went with ultra wide. He's running pretty good. Running pretty good. Woo! A little bit cold. Car behind me. Not going to talk very much. Don't really have anything to say. Just going to take y'all along with me on the ride. That front end's heavy. When I lean, you can feel the bike trying to turn itself, which I assume is normal. I can get that zipper up a little higher. Here we go. Looks like some woman. Woo! Thing accelerated. Had to push it over just a little. Oops. This is where all that gravel and shit is. Better slow my ass down. There we go. Gonna go down what we call River Road. got my sun shield down, but boy, that's bright. This is a sport bike. I turned on my lean angle indicator, not that I'm going to break any records. I've always been told that my comfort level for leaning is a lot less than what the bike's capable of. Now, I'm not talking about skill, I'm talking about fortitude, I guess. In other words, when I start leaning it over, I start going, oh, too much, but in actuality, I'm a good ways from too much. But just the ability of the bike. Hardest part about seeing my daughter, she lives on a hill and she has a common driveway between the house beside her and hers. Last time I drove up to the top of the driveway and went to back out, I all but dropped this sucker. I mean, I strained every muscle in my body not to drop it. Ooh, so I changed something. Alright, YouTuber, I'm here. I'm gonna shut it off.
You're a big old puppy. You're a big old puppy. Yes, you are. You're a big puppy, you slobber dog.